All right, so here it is, my Publix haul, Publix heist for the week. This is $341.13 with goods all said and done. I had an overage moneymaker of $34.63. And as always, that total includes the tax. Got to keep it real on our coupon boast here, real accurate. The week of March 8th to March 15th. Sorry, March 9th to March 15th, or March 8th to March 14th if you live up north out of the state of Florida. I'm doing this every week, so please subscribe to my channel so you can get these deals right off. And if you like this video, like that I ate those chips already, hit the like button. I'm trying to build my channel up. Hopefully I can bring you these. I've been really busy, so hopefully I'll have a video next week. Last week I was busy, I had a friend in town, but we're here now. I'm here now. So gosh, about 20 or so great deals. And I did this over 4 transactions, so you might not be able to do exactly this. I did have this competitor coupon. I used 2 of those to get $5 more off, $10 more off, $5 twice, and I used $10 off of 50 choice gift cards, which is awesome. These ones are really good, and they're definitely going to get used. So that gave me an extra $30, thus the $34.63 overage moneymaker. And as I said, I did this over 4 transactions, 3 of the transactions today, 1 of the transactions yesterday. But all the things I did yesterday were like clearance or not on sale, so you could have done them today. So let's get right into this huge heist here. So let's start with the Splenda Peel and Pour, because this deal goes off tomorrow, or its regular price for these guys $6.99. So for 6 of them, $44.09. And I did break this. I mean, these were in 3 different transactions, so you might only be able to do 2 of these, or no, actually you could do this whole thing in 1 transaction. So for 6 of them at $6.99, it's $45.09. They're on sale for two for $6.99. So basically BOGO. They don't call it BOGO, and it's from the Extra Savings Book. So that sale will go off tomorrow, March 10th. So get right on this if you're going to do this deal Friday, because it is a great deal. Let's see what we got. So it's half the price of $44.09, which is $22.54 for all 6 of these. You can't even see them. I got so much stuff, but I got 6 of them. 3 different flavors here, and they're in the drink aisle, like pretty much by the water, kind of water enhancer S4, and they'll show you right where they are, where you drop those drinks in. So I use 6 of these $3 off manufacturer coupons from the Save March 5th. So that took $18 off, and then ibotta has $3 back, limited 2, so that was another $6 to the good. Made that $1.46 overage on those 6 boxes. You could probably do even better if you only get 2. Use 3 and 3, and you're gonna have a bigger overage. Aspercreme, I did this deal in my last video, gosh, about 10 days ago, but a regular price for these guys are $6.79. You got 1 more day, because March 10th this goes away. So $6.79 for these, and as you said, I did this in 3 different transactions, 1 yesterday and 2 today. So they would cost $40.74 for all 6 of them. Used 6 of these $4 off manufacturer printable coupons. I do not believe it's available anymore, but that gave me $24 to the good. Hopefully you follow my channel and you still got some laying around. So there you go. It's a big good reason to subscribe. Then I used 3 of these, buy 1 get 1 free. In order, I did the manufacturer first, and then these at the end, and the buy 1 get 1 free. Took off $6.79. Does it say limit 1 per household per day? So you can't do that in 1 transaction. Regardless, it was a $3.63 overage on those, and pretty much a lot of people know that deal. But do they know this deal? Finished dishwasher cleaner. This one was great. These are on clearance, so okay, yeah, not at every store, but hopefully you can find them on the clearance tracks. $2.99 clearance rack, $2.99 each. I got 2 of them. So regular price is $5.99. So for 2 of them, it will cost you $12.88. As I mentioned, they're clearance. When you usually get on clearance, they go pretty much half price, like they are here. So that came to $2.99, and of course 1 rang up wrong. It rang up at the regular price, $5.99. You know where I'm going with this. So that was $9.65. I used $1.50 Publix digital coupon. You check your Publix digital coupon, $1.50. The main thing is $1.50 Publix digital coupon, $1.50 from ibotta. So that makes them free. But it got even better because, as I mentioned, that one rang up wrong. My Publix digital coupon was for $2 came off on 1 of them. 1 of them $1.50 came off. 1 of them $2 came off. As I mentioned, 2 ibotta rebates. It reset, so it was 2 different days. 1 yesterday, 1 today. So that was $3 to the good from Ibotta. Coupons.com has 2 rebates for $3 off each one. And then Publix Promise, for the one that rang up incorrectly, if you're not familiar, if the item rings up wrong, as in higher, at the register than it is marked or on the shelf displayed, then they give you the item for free and they refund you your money. So thus, they refunded me my one of them, so that was $6.44 $6.44 refunded, meaning a overage moneymaker for both of these, $6.29. All right, Acuvue, regular price for these guys. This was 3 different transactions, 2 on each time. As you notice, I got 6 of them. Their regular price is $10.49 for these guys. So for 6 of them, would be $62.94. They're BOGO this week, so for 6 of them cost me only $31.47, and in 3 different transactions. I used 2 of these each time, 2 of the $5 off of 2 manufacturer printable, so 10, so $30, using 6 of those, $30 to the good in 3 different transactions. So that was $1.47 for those. And as always, these are helping me reach up to my $40 threshold, so I got $5 off of my competitor coupon. Now, if you're interested in this, leave me a comment. It's good to March 31st. I'm going to see if I can get one out to you. There's another one for $10 off that's good till, I think, March 28th. Also, Publix digital coupon, I was getting up to $50. You get $10 off, so you want to do that. This one is awesome. I mean, you got, for me, Dave & Buster's and Red Lobster, Taco Bell. I'm going to use, a lot of these on that one, and then this one at Home Depot. As you know, I'm renovating my house, so there's no supply of gift cards. They're $50, and you get $10. So you get them for $40, or you get $10 off your groceries. Either way you want to look at it. But if you're going to use these, then might as well get $10 off your groceries. If you are going to spend that money, like a gas card, you're going to spend that. All right. Airwick scented oil refills. So I got the Vibrant one. This is kind of a long story. Vibrant one's this one right here. The regular price for these guys are $7.49, and they're on sale. Buy 2 get 1 free. So they would cost, you pay for only 2 of them, you get a third one for free. And I used 2 of these manufacturer printable coupons from the Smart Source February 27th, and I used one $4 off Publix digital coupon. So that took $12 off. Now, they did not ring up buy 1 get 1 free, buy 2 get 1 free. They just rang up regular price. So I put that to their attention. I said, look at the ad, and they said, oh no, it's not on that one, it's only on this one. I said, look, it says, even on the Vibrant product, send an oil refund 2 count. I said, no, it says essential oil. It says essential oil on there. But regardless, she said, okay, I'll give you the ones that do have the sale price. So basically, she refunded me those. She gave me these, which are less. They're $1 less. They're $6.49 each. So for 2 of them, cost me $13.95, and I got $12 back in coupons, so $1.95. So be aware when I thought my plan was to buy 3 of the Vibrant ones and use 2 manufacturer coupons from the Smart Source $2.27 and 1 Publix digital coupon for $4 off. But regardless, it worked out, and they made it right. They gave me these instead. They let me return those and said, I won't even return your coupons. You can use your coupons and give you these instead. Just say, well, so which ones do qualify for the sale? Regardless, let's see, $1.95 paid for all 3 of those. All right, Band-Aid gauze. If you know, I did this deal before. They went up since yesterday, or last week, or whatever. They were $2.12. Now they're $2.43 each. So for 6 of them, cost me $14.58. I used 3 of these manufacturer. I don't have it on there. 3 of the manufacturer printable coupons that take 75 cents off, because you can only use 1. So I was buying 2 at a time. And then there is 3 Publix digital coupons I use in 3 different accounts. That took $2.25 off. The manufacturer took 3 of the 75 cent off, took $2.25 off, and I used, right there, 6 of those took $12 off, and then coupons.com had 75 cents off, so it was $2.67 moneymaker. To make it easy, buy 1 for $2.43, use the $2 off, and use the 75 cent off, and you're going to have an overage of maybe 31 cents each one you buy. All right, but a limit of 1 on those. All right, keep going. Pure Leaf. So not in every Publix digital account, but I did have 2 of them that had it. Totally free. Pure Leaf tea. Regular price for these guys are a little more. They are $2.29. So for 2 of them, and there's tax, $4.92. However, they are on sale 3 for $5. So for two of them, cost me $3.59. And Publix digital coupon took $1.67 off both times. Made them only 25 cents for those. So check your Publix digital account if you got those. They are in with the sodas, kind of. Yeah, they're not. There were some in the cooler, but they were not in the cooler as well. For me, it was like aisle 7 or something. So, all right, let's see. Oh, okay, two good smoothies. So about 5 of these, as you can see, and the regular price is $1.89. So for 5 of them, will cost you $9.45. However, they're on sale for $1 each. So for 5 of them, was $5. There is a Blinky coupon. There, my store still had those, so I used 5 of those. 5 times 65 cents. That took $3.25 off. And ibotta, for me, had 50 cents off each one. That was $2.50 to the good. That made them a 75-cent overage. Moneymaker. All right, Splenda shakes. Regular price for these guys are $9.99. So for 3 of them, $29.97. However, they are on clearance. They're on sale for $7.49, but they were actually on clearance for $3.47 for the strawberry flavor at my store. This was yesterday. I used 2 of these because I bought another Splenda thing too. I think it was like that too as well. So I used 2 of those. So that took basically $6 off. Sorry, $3 off. Sorry, let me see. Yes, $6 off, and then ibotta has $3 off of each one. It was 3 of them. That was $9 to the good. So that was a $3.78 overage. Help me reach up my 40 real quick. Splenda Munk sweeteners. This is kind of the same thing. These are regular price $7.49. Check your clearance rack. They're on sale for $3.47. So for 4 of them was $14.96. I used 2 of these, $4 off 2. So $8 to the good. And then ibotta, I used 2 different days. Came $8 because I did 2 of them the first day. That gave me $4 to get. The second day, that gave me $8. 4 and 4 is 8. So it's $1.04 overage for those 4 bags. So check your clearance record. Basically, you're using this and ibotta, and you're gonna get 26-cent overage on each one if you can find those monk fruit packs. All right, Old El Paso beans. Regular price for these guys are $2.10. So for 2 of them, cost 4. The regular price for these guys are $2.10. So for 2 of them, will cost you $4.20. They are on sale for BOGO, so they're $2.10 for 2 of them. There is ibotta, has 50 cent back on each one. Gave me $1 to the good, making them only $1.10. Ragu sauce, same kind of thing. Regular price is $2.19. So for 2 of them, you got to find that 14-ounce ones. The other ones are a little bit more expensive, but they do have the 14-ounce one. Is only $2.19. So for 2 of them, would cost you $4.38, but the BOGO, so you get 2 of them for $2.19. There's this $1 off of 2 from the save February 5th. Maybe only $1.19 for both of them. All right, I can't say this. Bahle, and you can't even read it. They cover up the word. Anyways, these are in the crackers aisle. Regular price for these guys are $5.29 each, so for 4 of them cost $21.16. However, they are on sale for $4.75. Some stores I guess have them for $4, but mine were $4.75 each. So for 4 of them cost me $19. I used 4 of these. Yeah, I had to use 2 computers, 2 per computer, but 4 of these manufacturer printable. I have the link as well as a detailed breakdown of everything I'm saying. As always, below you hit the show more, and you can print all these coupons. Man, you can get this everything I'm saying will be written down. But I used 4 of these, $2 off. That is $8 to the good. ibotta has $1.50 back on each one. It actually took off all 5 of them, so I was happy about that. So I spent $19. I got $8 from the manufacturer printable coupon. I got $7.50 back from ibotta, making them cost only $3.50. Helping me build up to my 50 to get another 10 off that, as we know. All right, Carbona cleaner. Regular price for these guys are $5.69. For the red one is $5.69. The yellow one's $5.89. I got the red one, $5.69. So for 2 of them, it would cost you $12.24. However, they're BOGO this week, so you get both of them for $6.12. There is a hang tag for $1 off. And $1 off, I used 2 of the hang tags. Those are my last 2. They're very hard to find. So, well, if there's a lot of couponers, they're gonna get them But look out, maybe you can find hang tags on them. They're like little green $1 off coupons. Also, Ibotta has $2 back on each one, a limit of 3. So getting 2 here, that gave me $4 to the good. So that only cost me $6.12 paid, $6.12 spent, $4 back from Ibotta, $2 from the hang tag. Coupons only cost me 12 cents. For those Lysol toilet bowl cleaners, regular price for these guys are $2.39. So for 3 of them with the tax, $7.71. They are on sale, buy 2 get 1 free. So $2.39 times 2 equals $5.14. I used $1 off a 2 Publix digital coupon, and then I used 1 of these 50 cents off of one from the, that was from the Smart Source, February 26th. I take 50 cents, and Ibotta gave me 50 cents back on each one. That was $1.50 to the good, so $2.14 total for those 3 when you factor the tax after coupons. So, all right, Natuchips, N-A-T-U chips. These are plantain chips. Regular price are $2.49, so for 2 of them, $4.98. Fetch has 50 cents back. I think it's a limit of 5, so that gave me $2.25 to the good. Publix has $1 off of 2 Publix digital coupon, so it's $1 to the good, and made that only $1.74 for both of these. Roar drinks, regular price for these guys are organic drinks. These were by the vitamin water. Yes, they were. Regular price for these guys are $2.29. So for both of them, when you factor the tax, $4.92. However, they are on sale 3 for $5. So $1.67. Factor the tax, $3.33. Maybe no tax on those. Anyways, Ibotta has $2.29 off of 2. That took $2.29 off. Made them only $1.04. Barilla Bronzo. Regular price $2.59. Publix digital coupon $1.50 off. Fetch 50 cents back. That's $1.29 back. Made that a 20-cent overage on that. And the last one, Simple Gum. Regular price for this guy is $3.19. Factor the tax $3.43. It's on sale for $2.50. Factor the tax $2.69. There's $1 off manufacturer coupon. I hope that's still available. Mine I've had for a while, so they give me $1 to the good, and also Ibotta has $1 back on that, so made that only 69 cents. Yes. So 4 transactions. Yes. You know, you probably won't do 4 transactions and have the Sprouts coupon, but I encourage you to use that $10 off of 50 Publix digital coupon. You probably won't have some of these clearance things, but I'm just giving you an example of what I did. Maybe you'll do better. You know, who knows? Maybe you guys will have some of these same deals. So I know you can do a lot of these deals. So once again, please subscribe to my channel. See that funny looking guy right there? Yeah. And $341.13 worth of goods, $34.63 overage moneymaker. Everybody enjoy their couponing this week.